Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M23 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this smartphone. First of all, you need to find clock and tap on it. Now click on clock at the bottom left corner if it's not already on and tap on this plus icon. After that, set up an hour and pick days of the week by tapping on them. Then choose alarm name over here and scroll down. Now you can click on the switches next to all of those features, alarm sound, vibration and snooze to disable or enable them. Then click on alarm sound, tap on ringtone over here, select allow and pick one of those melodies as your alarm sound by tapping on the best one and going back. You can also over here adjust the volume of your alarm by swiping left or right. If you want to though, you can always click on ringtone again, tap on this plus icon at the top right corner and pick music from your smartphone by tapping on the best song for you and choosing done at the top right corner. Then you need to go back and choose vibration. Over here you can select one of those vibration patterns by tapping on the best one for you and going back, but you can also disable it completely by choosing silent. Then go back, choose snooze and pick how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. When you're ready, go back and save your alarm by typing on save. As you can see, mine was successfully added. If you wish to switch it off completely, tap on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete it, you need to hold it, choose delete icon over here, and now it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!